Hi! Today, we just relaxing. So, we'll make a video later because it's low battery, so we're just gonna relax right now. Later, we're gonna make a lot of videos if we can charge it quickly. In 4 o'clock maybe. Wait, I'm not gonna pause it. I'm just gonna change its camera. I'm gonna change the camera. Okay. Oh, that was hard. There. Perfect. Kuya Gab, pwede mo yun?
Hindi ko na kaya.
We're watching TV. Marco, go here. Come here. Goodbye. I'm gonna switch it to the YouTube video. I'm gonna make a YouTube video. So, in here, this is the same video.